Ben? Ben? Ben, Ben, it's Ben, it's Ben, it's... Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, everybody. Chandra! Good morning, Donald Smith. Good morning. Just join and drop that GM in the chat. Scalp that like button, pandas! Pandas! Let's get it. We're absolutely getting it this morning. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. Today, news at 10. We had news at 8:15, news at 8:30. Now we have news at 10. Lots of news. Lots of news, but nothing like huge. The big news is going to be, I believe, not next. Oh, next week we do have big news, but the week after that. Whoo! I'm just saying. September 17th. It's gonna be wild. It's gonna be crazy, pandas. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying, pandas. Chandra, good morning. Donald Smith, good morning. Blue Steel, good morning. Austin Hare, good morning. Ashraf, hey, we're early. Hey, we're so late, we're early, you know what I mean? Trying to ask why my cat's back. I reset. We're starting over at 150, and it is what it is. Okay, pandas. Extra vigilant at noticing trading ranges. Extra vigilant at noticing trading ranges. That's what we're gonna be today. We're just gonna be like, we're gonna assume trading range unless otherwise proven. You know what I mean, pandas? It's better just assume the trading range because like 70 to 80% of the time the market's in a trading range. If maybe even more than that. Or just assume trading range at all times. Pandas! Let's get it. Market's about to open, and I mean even yesterday. I mean you think we had some pretty big moves yesterday. Big up, big down, big up. And we pretty much closed pretty like, one bar off away from the open. I mean, talk about doing nothing. But, actually, you know what? The bottom gap didn't even fill. I thought the bottom gap would fill, but we filled the top gap, but not the bottom gap. We have another gap way up here. We have another gap way up here. We're going to mark it just in case something crazy happens today. What's my daily chart telling me? Daily chart? Ooh, wow. Look at this price action. This is wild. Daily chart being a little weird, to be honest. Got a double bottom here. Higher lows. Huh. Weekly chart just looks like a trading range. I'm not sure. I think I'll take the fail second entry long on the 5-minute chart, though. I'll tell you that much. Albert, good morning. Austin Harris, I've been doing pretty well using the 15-minute orb. Decided to give it a try last week. All right. 15-minute orb. I think it's really good. Not really good, but I think... Well, for me, I like to use it just to see if it's going to be a trading range day or not. Like, if we're just stuck within the 15-minute orb for, like, several bars, I'm just like... It's probably just be trading range. Just like yesterday. We had big moves yesterday, but ultimately it was a trading range. And we have 1, 2, 3. Right here's our 15-minute orb, the first 3 bars. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 closes. I mean, you had 3 like overlapping bars.
2,500 tick trap.
Essentially. 2,500 tick trap. That's what we're looking for. Pop, 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 pop. 15-minute trap here. A little historical just in case, but this is a beautiful trade because of the double top coming off the previous day's high. Getting a trap trade. It's going to be nice. It's going to happen right at market open, I think, though, unfortunately. We're going to reload just in case. Going 2 contracts. Maybe I go 4 contracts. Eh. The only reason why I won't go 4 is because the risk is huge. Huge risk here. A very big candle. Jeez. Huge push up. Super strong bull bar ending on its high. I don't think I can take a trap like that. That is pretty disgusting. Let's see here. Market about to open in 30 seconds. Maybe the trap triggers up here, but now we're like well within this like big trading range here. This is a trading range, no matter how you see it. It's a trading range. 100% trading range. Market opening right now. I guess I'll try.
2,500 tick trap.
Whoa, what a pushback down. What a pushback. Okay, we'll try. I guess we're trying this. Trap trade. Let's get a little bit of bamboo here. A little bit of bamboo, hopefully. Fails like entry long, double top. Start off with a fails like entry long. Get crushed here, right off the bat, perhaps. It's ugly. It's not gonna work out, I don't think. Trading range, price action, just completely, just huge bear bar coming right after a strong bull bar. Ah, Panda, so annoying, but it's a good setup in my opinion. Such a good setup. I mean, you're also aiming for the gap beneath at the 5-minute, right? You're also aiming for this little gap here. Such a good trade in my opinion. Just a lot of things going for you there, but if it don't work out, it don't work out. You know what I mean? Trading range. Yeah. I mean, that's just how it is. It's just how it is sometimes, Pandas. Like, it's such a good trade in my opinion. Like, so many things going for you. Lots of overlapping bars though, so it is what it is. Unfortunate. That the fact that didn't work, that's unbelievable to me. Not unbelievable, but that is very telling. I feel like we gotta go long now. Like if the market's not gonna give us that, like I feel like we gotta go long. We gotta try. Like the fact that it didn't give us the big push down right there. Like at least top of the trading range. We're gonna go for 4 here. It's such a like huge miss on that reversal. Wow. I mean, now I can't even go reversal up. It's such a huge miss on that trap. Such a huge miss on this trap to push down. Like coming off a double top here and I don't know. I felt like it was good enough trade to at least try with 2 contracts. The probability of that trade, you know, with the 5-minute also having to fill the gap. We don't quite fill the gap, actually.
2,500 tick trap.
No, this is just gotta sit in our pause. Pandas, that's, you know, it is what it is. You can't do much about it. When you see the opportunity, you gotta try. You gotta try. You gotta try. You gotta try your best. Absolutely try your best here. Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Now we're just flying, huh? Just flying. I mean, trading range overnight. Yeah, the fact that that trap fails, like, it just launches this to the upside. That trap failing is like huge trap, in my opinion. That's like such a high probability trade to work out. The fact that it reverses like this, I think it's quite telling that that trap was such a good trap. So much to the point where it fails, everyone reverses it. It's crazy. Crazy, 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 crazy. We're in trading range. Jeez Louise. So frustrating. It is what it is, though. Whoo! Oh, okay. Makes sense. I just realized I'm only trading one. I'm only trading one of my accounts right now. Maybe it's a blessing. Jeez Louise. Trade copper was not set up for this. A blessing in disguise, you know what I mean? Now I'm gonna have one account that's gonna be so different. I'm gonna $1,000 off all my other accounts. It's all good. Top of a trading range. Fails like entry short, but top of a trading range coming off the previous day's high again. 3 times a charm, right? Third time's a charm. Let's see. Third time's a charm breakout. The previous day's high. Just buy some RGs. Consolidation here. Couldn't get much. Thought I could get a little bit more than that. Looks like market's not going to give it to me. I try to buy always and long on the 5-minute chart. Get nothing.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay. Cool, I guess. I mean, there's only one thing you gotta do here. Fails like an entry long. There's one thing you do here. Top of a trading range, opening reversal. I mean, I guess. If you give it to me, I'll try. Fails. Maybe fails, maybe not fails. It's a big, 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 big push down if we get this.
Target filled.
Let's take one out. Protect some profits and we're gonna have a runner here. Disgusting price action right now. Coming off the 240 SMA. Could be a big bounce. Who knows? Just watching. I mean, the 5 minute literally just gets folded. Super strong bull bar gets folded here. What am I looking at here? What am I actually looking at here? Alright. Whatever. I'll take that. Whatever, pandas. I'll take it. Jeez. The crazy price action already. Down 390. It's all good. I mean, after the very first trade, that was a monster. Second entry short. I mean, mid-air, though. I hate that. Coming off the 240 SMA as well. Hate the mid-air second entry shorts, but... Alright. We'll try. Good signal bar. Maybe L4 setting up here instead. This is going to be a big push down, huh? It's going to be a big push down, isn't it? Watching, watching. Hold. 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 I'm telling you, hold.
Target filled.
I'm telling you, just hold, pandas. Hold. Hold, pandas, hold.
Target filled.
I'm telling you, just hold. Probably get stopped out here. Such a high chance to get stopped out. And yep. Not bad, not too shabby. I'll take it. I'll take it. What in the world, pandas? We're down 1K. I think I'm gonna turn the trade copier off. We're gonna just trade this one account now. Ooh. Yeah, we're gonna try to trade this one account. How do I do this? Like this. Yep. Okay. We're gonna take it here. We're doing this again. We're doing the exact same trade we did here and failed. We're gonna try it again right here. I don't know, maybe I just trigger right here. In the middle of the trade. Middle of the candle. Wait for the candle to finish actually. Is that my big push up? I think it's safe to put it here now. Bouncing out the bottom, change maybe back to the top. Could be as simple as that. Could be as simple as that, pandas. Just a simple reversal at the bottom of the trading range. If it bounces here, then definitely the trading range is up here now. Darn it. We don't get the setup that I wanted here. A little too far away from 20 MA. A little too far away from where I wanted to go. What a bounce. I mean, it makes sense, I guess. If we're in trading range, we're in a trading range. Wedge top. Whoo-hoo. Trading ranges are gonna trading range. Do I go long here? I don't know. I want to say no. I want to say no, I do not go long here. I need some evidence that we're going to go back down. Pandas! We're up 725. Currently the trade copier is off. I think I made enough on my other accounts. I mean, I guess I can get up to 2,000. Technically, I could get it up to 2,000. I'm pretty safe. Feels like I just short here, but I'm not sure if it's in the right cycle here. Is it like a duh, of course I should go long here type situation? Maybe. Maybe it's one of those trades like duh. We got news in about 13 minutes, that's for sure. Could lollygag in the middle of this trading range. Alright, maybe it was a no dud trade. Small risk as well, I don't know. Yeah, 9-point risk. Okay, fair enough. It's enough for a scalp. Makes a new high, in fact. Continuing this uptrend, or higher highs or higher lows. OI pattern. I mean, my guess, the target is top of the trading range. That's just my guess. Just seems like the path of least resistance right now. Path of least resistance seems like the top of the trading range. We'll see, though. Insane, 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 insane. Insane beginning of the day. Big push down. Very big push down. Strong 4 bear bars ending near their lows. 5 bear bars ending near their lows. Sometimes you just gotta jump in. Unfortunately. Just gotta jump in here. Really unfortunate, but you just gotta jump in. Wide stop type situation. You can go for it. Let's see. It's reversing on me a little bit here. Don't like that at the bottom of a trading range. Definitely don't like to see that at the bottom of a trading range. Definitely don't like to see that at the bottom of a trading range. No sirree. No sir doodly doo. You do not like to see that at the bottom of a trading range. Especially if you're trying to go short right into the bottom of trading range. Goodness gracious, I'm going to try one time to go short here. I'll probably get burned. Burned alive. Burned at the stake here. Oh, definitely don't like seeing that. Down another K here. What's this account doing right now? Snaps up, takes me out. I was up at that. I was down 1,000, up at that. I'm just trading this one account right now, and it's just diabolical, pandas. This one account. Goodness gracious, it's diabolical. This one account here. I really thought we were gonna fill that gap. Second inch is short, but above the 20 MA. Bad signal bar. Takes me out to the tick. Watch this just break to the downside now. Just absolutely just smash. Whoo! I guess. Double bottom now. Might as well try. Double bottom setup now. Double bottom setup to push up. Trap fails, looks like. I'm just trading this one account right now, and it is putting me in the blender right now. Small trading range developing here, actually. This could be the top of the trading range. I'm going long right into it. Could be the case. Regardless, it gets stopped out. Jeez. Alright, I mean, I tried. Double bottom. Fails like inch short. Seemed like a good idea. Now it's like being diabolical. Takes me out and pushes back up. I don't know what to do here. Just watch it go without me now. Tick shot, tick shot, tick shot. Getting tick shotted everywhere, whatever. News. I'll wait for news. I'm down 2K on this one account. Unfortunately, I'm down 2K on this one account. 19 accounts doing great. This one account doing terrible. Muted? I'm not muted. Are you telling me you are muting me? This is diabolical right now. It is just completely sideways. I'm going to start doing wide stops. Armani passed away. Does that mean his clothes are going to be even more expensive? Is it Armani? Armani Exchange? Is it the same Armani? Not big into the fashion world, but he definitely has a big brand. Lower high. We're so close to news. I just don't know what to do here. Big bear bar ending on low. I'll start having a position here, I guess. This is diabolical right now. Is that the pullback that we wanted? One more attempt to the previous day's close on the 5-minute chart. One more attempt here. The pullback that we wanted before we actually push down here. Okay. We're never going to actually get to fill this gap. It's going to just continue to destroy me every time I try. I gotta stop getting married to this premise. Clear push above the 20 MA, I'm out. Strong bull bar now that I try to enter short here on a strong bear bar ending near its low. We're so close to news, I may have to just get out of this trade if it doesn't take me out already. Okay, we're still underneath the 20 MA, I'm still safe. Trap actually does trigger, I should have gone in here. A little impatient. Patience on my end. Right, multiple hits off the top of this trend line. Hopefully we can fill this gap now instead of more lollygagging. Too much lollygagging if you ask me. Okay, doesn't fill the gap. Continues to lollygag here. We only got 4 minutes till news. Doesn't quite get to the gap. It kind of repels near it. But you're thinking it's going to test it. I could be wrong. This could be one of those days it just never fills. Could be one of those days it never fills. I'm definitely out if it goes above this high. I'll tell you that much. Definitely out if it goes above this high. I think my premise is wrong at that point. Yeah, premise is wrong at that point. Like, we're not going to fill this gap. It might be after news. Getting demolished here. Ugh! You got to love it. You got to absolutely love it, pandas. You got to love this. What's my threshold? I got $300 of threshold. Super frustrating. So stupid. Oh! This one account just became diabolical. I'm simply trying to fill this gap on the 5-minute chart, and I just can't do it. I just got burned every attempt to fill this gap, like 5 attempts to fill the gap, and you know, after 3 times, you think maybe you should stop trying, but I mean, we got so close to it every single time with good setups to it. I just can't give it up. Just can't give it up. All right, we got probably one more trade in us here. I mean, we're only what? We have $300 of threshold left. Is that the case? Pretty much. My next trade has to be 1 contract. I mean, this is just diabolical. News dropping soon. I might lose I might lose 1 account here. I have 19 accounts. It's just, isn't it kind of like annoying if you have 19 accounts? And not 10 or not 20. Like, isn't it kind of annoying you have 19 accounts? Like, isn't it like kind of like, ugh? It's like something bothers you, right? Because you're just like, why not just 20 accounts? Why 19 accounts? It's such a weird amount of accounts to have. Even just as one off, truly only one off. $19 prime number. Having a prime number as the amount of accounts you have is sick. It's crazy. I mean, I might not have a choice though. I have 19 accounts, and that's it. It's just, it is what it is. Goodness gracious. Shorting at the lows right next to a key area, though, that's the difference. I usually don't like to short the lows, but if we're at this key area, you gotta try. Especially with setups like this with a strong bear bar and the other is low, it's like you gotta try, you gotta hold that. Strong bear bar. Alright, there's the news. Been waiting for that. Oh, you know what? Gap's gonna fill with the news, huh? Does this show us where the limit orders are? Just abounding here. Limit orders abounding here. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try. And we are. Okay, we got a little life in us. And we are. Got a little life in us. Come on. No, not that. It's the name of the game. It's the name of the game, absolutely. I'd rather do this. Jeez Louise, pandas, we cannot fill the gap. Like, look at the gap. Look at how many attempts we try to get to the gap. We just can never get there. It's so funny. It's actually hilarious. We can't get to the gap. I'm going to try one more time here. One last attempt to fill this gap. And it's going to be glorious. Just watch. Okay. Truly, gap can never may not fill today. I mean, it just keeps bouncing off away from it, even with good setups to it. Strong bear bar is low. OI pattern gap, obviously. Multiple attempts to fill the gap here. It looks like it's gonna lose again. Another attempt down and loses. Doesn't get to the gap again. So sick. All right, we may finally get to the gap now. Hits the previous day's close on the like the higher time frames.
Target filled.
All right, we got it. We got it. Only after 1 bajillion attempts to fill the gap, we finally fill it, and it just happens to be after my accounts get busted. I mean, we got 19 accounts that are just flying high. Man, pandas, I don't know. Like, it's frustrating. It's frustrating. The gap was obviously trying to get filled a bajillion times. And it's just 1, 2, 3, 4. So many attempts to fill it. 5th time's a charm, you know what they say. I don't know, pandas, this is frustrating. This is so frustrating. Now I have 19 accounts at $2,375. 19 accounts at that much, like it's kind of weird. I don't know. It's just a little weird to me, but I'll take it. It doesn't make much difference to me, but I don't know. It just had to have one more pullback before finally pushing down, and even pushing down here had a small pullback again. How many pullbacks do you need to fill this gap? That's like literally right there. I don't know. Use code BBM, grab another account. It's actually not 90% off now. What is it? How frustrating, Pandas. There's no deal right now. It might be 50% off. Let me check. It's annoying because the only way to check the deal is you actually like log in and like see the deal they give you at the checkout. I'm fine with 19 accounts, to be honest. It sucks. 19 accounts is such a weird number. It really is. I just don't know. Maybe I can get the last account up. I don't know. Jeez. So frustrating. So frustrating, Pandas. 19 accounts? That bothers me. That bothers me insanely. Does that not bother you? That bothers me. It's 50% off. It's 50% off now. It's there's no way I'm paying for this. There's no way. There's no way. It's all good. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna have 19 accounts for a long time, Pandas, and it's gonna be a little frustrating for you guys. Just pretend it's 20. It's not that different. It's just not that different. Whoo! Oh my gosh, how frustrating is that, though? How stinking frustrating is that?
$2,500 tick trap.
All right, got second entry long forming here. On the 5-minute chart. Quite a strong push down to the 20 MA. I don't know what to make of this. Let's see. We're going to continue our downtrend. Doesn't look like it. Don't look like it at all. Everybody's favorite time. Take profit.
$2,500 tick trap.
I think it feels like I just short here for sure. I'll tell the fails like I just short here for sure here. We might not get it though. Oh, we simply might not get it, but if we get it, I will try. Everyone's favorite time. TPT time. We're up like 2,335. 2,335 divided by 0.3 is, I need to make 7,783, which is like perfect. Exactly what I need. All right, I'll be taking this full send here. I don't want an outside bar reversal though, unfortunately. Might be all we get here though. I'll take it here. Okay. Oh, let's get ready to rumble. Huh. I typically like this trap, but yeah. Yeah. Second attempt on the trap here. Yikes. Yikes.
2,500 tick trap.
Fails twice. The trap fails here. I don't know. This looks like it has more room to go down. I came back beneath the 20 MA now. Thoughts and prayers. Full send. I thought it would trigger the second entry long on the 5-minute chart, and it does not. It definitely does not trigger the second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Owie! Owie, owie, owie! We're down 3K. We still have 1.5K. All right, we'll try again. I thought it would trigger the second entry long on the 5-minute chart. Okay, forgive me. I thought it would. That trap looked delicious. After the trap fails one time and that failure fails, I thought it was setting up for a nice pushback up. It did not. So I'm sorry. It did not work out. The timing was off there for sure. I will attempt one more try here. I believe we got to go long here. I believe we have to try long. It triggers a second entry long in a weird setup. It's not even a setup. I think I got to just try. I got to try here. I got to try. It's not going to be pretty. I'll tell you that. This is not going to be pretty at all. I will try full send one more time. Higher low would be nice, but I don't think I'm going to get it. It's very choppy in this area right now. Okay, higher low. Might be my setup that I have to look for here. Whoo! Thoughts and prayers. We're in. Whatever happens, happens now, pandas. It's like we have no choice. We got the fate. Our fate is in the hands of the institutions now. Like we have no control of what happens now at this point. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Whoa, we might get it. Oh, so close. So close. Dick. Why? What? One tick.
Target filled.
Easy peasy. Our fate was in the hands of the institutions at that point, pandas. Like we had no control at that point. We just had to try. This is a second entry long on the 5-minute chart with a rising 20 EMA, just flying. Failed second entry short. Should we try again on this trade? No. It's a little far away from 20 EMA. So let it cool down. Let it cool down. Full send every trade. TPT, that's how you do it. Whoo! Wow, we just nicked our price, our take profit. We hit it perfectly, and we jumped out. Wowzers, pandas, that's crazy. That's actually kind of crazy right there. We hit our 15 points. 15 points is 4,500. If you don't know, 4,500, 4,500, right? 15 times 20.
2,500 tick trap.
15, 40,000, 4,500. That's what we're looking for. 4,500. Yep, 4,500. Second, just short on the 2,500 tick chart. Wow, what a crush! What a crusher. I mean, a failed trap here could be a decent short, but I don't know. A failed trap here to go short again. The only reason why I wouldn't go long is we're back in this channel. It's a failed breakout of this channel.
2,500
Those
tick
typically
trap.
lead to one more push down before really pushing down. I don't like to go short here just because the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart can act as support, a strong support, in fact. So I don't want to go short there per se. Could be a decent trade though. It looks like an okay trade. Creates a second just short on the 2,500 tick. 10 seconds on the 5-minute chart. Signal my pulse. Feels like actually long on the 500 tick. I would be a seller. But it's just one of those setups that probably won't come. If it does come, then it's kind of like you gotta just jump in. You gotta just jump in if it does come, but it's just one of those trades that probably won't come. Won't get there. But we wait patiently. We wait patiently, pandas. Again, not gonna get there, but we can wait patiently just in case we get our... Yeah, see, we don't get it. It ends up making the big push down and not triggering our setup. So it's like one of those trades where like you would yell at me for just jumping in because I didn't wait. But it was such an obvious move to the downside that I almost just wanted to jump in. Now we get the trap way too far down after a new low is created. So we're no longer interested in this short. But I don't know. This setup happened like here. Like, you know, A plus to S tier setup type situation, in my opinion, because you're also triggering it with the 5-minute fail second entry long triggers at the same time. Beautiful trade. We're gonna full send our next trade. Second entry short here. Let's see if we get a nice setup. It needs to come to the 20 MA. New low created though. No, nothing to use as a trend line. You can use this, but it's not useful. Okay. Okay. Second entry short here. Coming off the 20 EMA. It's a big risk now, and that's your signal bar. But it's just clear signs that we're going to push down further. Such clear signs we're going to push down further. I just can't jump in though. I'm too much of a wuss. Probably because I'm trying to full send it. Just too much of a wuss to go short here because I'm full sending my next trade. But with one contract, not a bad trade in my opinion, right? Smaller risk. Just seems so apparent we're going to keep pushing down here. A strong bear bar in nearest low with follow through. No follow through after that. Might be limit order sellers coming in. We'll see. Apex right now is just 50% off. It's just, absolute trash. Trash promo. Trading range price action starting to form here. Second entry short. Is the downtrend going to continue is the question. Second entry short. I don't think I can full send my next trade. It's too choppy right now. I mean, the setup is a failed second entry short here. Absolutely. We're above the 20 EMA now. And a failed trap on the 5-minute chart, essentially setting up as well. The nice, beautiful signal bar getting ready to blast off. I could try here. Ain't gonna be pretty, though. It ain't gonna be pretty, pandas, but I can try. Small risks trade here as well. It ain't gonna be pretty, but I can try here. That's how bar reversal get crushed, obviously. It triggered a second entry long. That's why I took that trade on the 5-minute chart. Or it's the third entry long with a good looking signal bar. Like really good looking signal bar. Should I attempt this again, the same trade? I don't know. Good signal bar as well. The reaction's not really what you want right when it triggers, though. Now it pops up. A little too late for me. I don't know. Just watching. I'm not sure what's happening here. Pandas! Who's ready for football? Goodness gracious. Who is ready for the NFL? The National Football League. Wow. I don't know, pandas. I mean, I'm just in my pause. I don't see something very clear here. I'd hate to try this trade again and just lose it twice in a row. That's the thing. The risk was so small in that trade is the reason why I took it. It's a 6-point. Need a fantasy league. What's my over-under? What's my over-under every day? What is going on? Trading range price action. You know, what is this? What is this nonsense right here? The 5 minutes seemed like very clear what was going to happen. It was going to blast to the upside here. But it didn't. It's not doing so. Very interesting here. It's taking a sweet time to actually make a move. Don Smith says, the whole week has been institutional schizophrenia. I gotta wait here. I mean, I tried already, pandas. I already tried this attempt, and it didn't work out. It stopped me out. So I'm just sitting on my pause because something funky is happening here right now. Something very funky is happening. If you took this long, you're still okay in this trade, actually, because your stop loss is down here. Bigger stop loss, but higher probability. Okay. Could push up. Could push up big. Maybe that was the wait. Maybe that was the push we're waiting for. Unfortunately, I miss everything here, of course. I miss it all. I miss it all. I'm just like very confused. Yeah, decent push up. Not astronomical. Not what I need. I need like at least 15 points. Okay, it makes 15 points. Oh! Sit on my paws a little bit. How frustrating is that? It takes me out on the outside bar reversal. Right? It triggers up, triggers down, triggers back up, and then triggers back down, triggers back up. That's just diabolical right there. I can't do much about that. It is what it is. At this point, I got a scalp, so I'm not gonna do. I'm not gonna full send every trade. At this point, I have to scalp. I don't think I'm gonna get an entry unless I scalp. Good signal bar to go long. Okay, new high created. Gonna wait for the next scalp. Keeps pushing up. May not have opportunity here. Feels like a trading range, but I may just buy. Let's just try. Let's try scalp. Get a nice little scalperoo here. I think just for 10 points. 10-point scalp would be nice. 10 points to risk 10 points. Possibly.
Target
Okay,
filled.
we get 10 points. Take profit's weird because it doesn't show you like the entries. It's so odd. Yeah, I don't know why. It doesn't show you the entries. It doesn't show your entries and exits. I think we gotta just scalp our way up along this like super like this is the trade I wanted, pandas. And it looked beautiful. It created a the most obvious thing the 5 minute was gonna do, super strong bull bar, it's rising 20 MA. It just I wanted to go long, but it just took me out in the most diabolical way and it just left me a little bit frazzled. What can I say? I was a little frazzled. Frazzled dazzled. Whoops. I didn't mean to do that. We're out. Next push down, we're out. Okay, that's diabolical, whatever. Oh, I pattern. Closes beneath the 20 MA. Doesn't look good for me. But next push down, I'm out. Okay, come up, break even.
Target filled.
Okay, well, whatever. Came up break even on that trade and know what's happening. Strong bull bar ending on its high. Actually creates a second entry long here, right? This is a hidden second entry long, but it's a second entry long. It looks like it's just one push down, but actually if you look at this bar, it cracks above the previous candle's high, then pushes down again, one bar. So it's actually a second entry long. Full send, shall we? Second entry long here. Is this worthy of a full send? Is the question. Is this worthy of a full send, pandas? Is it even close to worthy of a full send? Stupid. OI pattern, 500 tick chart. Okay, looks like it's gonna make a new high without any second entry long. I gotta just go long here, no? Bull bar like this.
Target filled.
Okay, just scalping my way out of this stupid hole I made for myself. Like I said, I had to change the scalping because we're getting later in trend, so I'm just changing the scalping. I'm not swinging anything anymore. Just scalping everything. Okay. I mean, the obvious target is a previous day's high, which is pretty much the top of the trading range. That's the obvious target in my eyes. But the price action is looking a little bit suspicious. Strong bear bar. This is a silly trade. Yeah, let's wait. Let's hold. If it makes a new high here, it is what it is. First entry is only far away from 20 minutes. Good signal bar though, with trend. Strong bull bar. Fail second entry short, 2,500 tick chart, full send. That's my next trade. If we get a fail second entry short here on the 2,500 tick, full send to the all-time or the high, not the all-time high, but the high, today's high of day. But I don't know if we're gonna get it because this price action is just it's getting there, pandas. It's getting weird. It's starting to look a little weird. Starting to feel a little weird. Starting to feel a little grindy. Starting to feel a little choppy here. It's a second entry long. Storms are brewing, pandas. Should I just take it on a second entry long here? Full send, second entry long? I don't like this bear bar. Second entry long, full send. Here we go. I don't like this movement down, though. It seems like it needs some more room down to the downside for really breaking out.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay, we're in this trade, so who cares what happens now? It is what it is. Strong bull bar ending on its high on the 5-minute chart as well. Hopefully always in long trading on the 5-minute chart. That's what I'm hoping for.
$2,500 tick trap.
I think I just got to hold, pandas. I think I got diamond paw this one. I got diamond paw this, pandas. I don't think there's any other way around it. I got diamond paw it. Shoryuken! Shoryuken! Okay, strong bull bar. That's a good sign, but not a good sign when it just folds like that immediately. Why? It does that so often. Like, it just ends on the high and then reverses. Whoa! Almost hits my target. Doesn't quite get there. Almost hits my target, but doesn't quite get there. If it reverses here, that's a big no-no. That's a big no-no if it reverses. Ah, pandas. Why? It's a big no-no. It's a big no-no. Reverses, like, snaps up and reverses. That's not a good sign. It's usually a terrible sign if you're long. Yep. Diamond paw it, though, pandas. We're going to diamond paw this. Should I get greedy is the question. Should I get greedy here is the question. Whoa, missed it by tick.
Target filled.
Alright, I'll take it. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. $4,000. I guess I should have got greedy, pandas. Maybe I should got a little greedy there. Big Mama second attempt on the 5-minute chart. Sure, why not? Big Mama. We'll take on the first reversal out. Big Mama doesn't even trigger. How much am I going to hold this till? Is it just going to double top here and just reverse? Could possibly be. It's like bubbling here. I don't know if it's going to break out. Is it even going to break out, pandas? It's going to reverse here, isn't it? Okay. We don't even trigger Big Mama yet. Oh boy, we're not even triggering Big Mama. That's so crazy. We still haven't triggered Big Mama. Come on! Alright, we triggered Big Mama. Like I said, I'll take it on the first reversal down. Just because, like, if it reverses down here, it could just be a big reversal, double top, potentially. Just nice little pop-up here, if we can get it. Okay, come on, break even now. No problem. It's extra bonus if I can get anything here. No problem. Extra bonus if I can get anything here. Looks like nothing is had. Nope. Okay. All good. I try. I don't want any. I don't want to
2,500 tick
be in
trap.
here if it reverses that big mama because it can double top for the obvious reasons on the 5-minute chart. It looks like it can just double top here. It's a clear resistance area. So you're better off trading a reversal here, but we'll see. 4K pandas. Can we make 10K is the question. Market's still moving though. I mean, pandas low key. I love this volatility. I love this volatility. I love the fact that we're not just stuck in a 20-point range for 45 minutes. You know, I love the fact that we're not stuck in a 20-point range for 45 minutes straight. Even the range might still be ranging, but at least the ranges are like 100 points where you can actually trade the swings. It's so ridiculous. Again here, like, it's a good place to reverse, but we'll see. Austin here, yep. This is September trading. Everyone's back on their vacations. People are back to work full time. AKA kids are back at school, so no more distractions, right, for the actual traders here. You're better off reversing it here at this point. Truly. So clearly above the 20 May.
2,500 tick trap.
Double top. Can you make a resistance any more clear? I don't think so. Can you make a resistance any more clear than that? I don't think so. Like I said, you're better off reversing it here. Second entry long, better off reversing it? Or shall we? Or shall we, pandas? Yeah, better off reversing it. I actually like it when it does that, so you know not to go long there. Okay, big push down without any entries here. We might not get an entry. We might get an entry. We might not get an entry. We might get an entry. We might not get an entry. We might get entry. Huh? 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 Okay, we get entry. Full send this one too. Shall we? Full send. Kicks and giggles. Here we go, pandas. Take profit. You gotta love it. You gotta love the fact take profit. You can actually do this. No, the prop firm will allow you to do this, which is why I like doing it if I can. Feels like entry long. It's a good setup coming off a key area. We can try here. As you can tell, we do not get filled, and it just goes without us, unfortunately. I don't know if I want to stick around to get filled here. Oh, I got filled by one contract. Okay. All right. Well, we're one contract. Let's see if it plays out. We can have fun with one contract. No stress. Stress-free trade. Think about the stress we had with 15 contracts. Now it's the stress amount we have only one contract. No stress here. I would have loved it if it was a 15 contracts at this point. But that was hindsight bias. Let's see here. Ooh, maybe it was good. Only one contract. We lose, we lose. Curious. Still don't know what's going to happen here. Let's say if I was 15 contracts, I'd be very happy if this triggers. If I was in 15 contracts, I'd be very happy if this triggers, so I'm going to just take it with 2 contracts. And you want to at least like 1 bar follow through here. Look at limit order bulls waiting at the bottom of the 5-minute chart, 5-minute candle. Makes sense. That's kind of why I was a little worried, which is why I only traded 3 contracts here. I mean, if you must, I will try. If you push down again, I will try. Something about the fact that breaking this high just makes me feel like this trade is done. Like, I feel like I want to just come out break even, like not break even, but skunk the trade here. Even though we're beneath the 20 MA, like I just feel like something is up. The fact that we reverse here shouldn't reverse at this point. Yeah, I mean, we lose that trade. It's all good. Something's up when you... Yeah, look at that. All right. Basically tick shots me and now it goes back down. All good. That's all good. All good. All good. I don't mind. I do not mind. We are just chilling here, pandas. We're up 3K. Take profit. Take profit, pandas. Hey, take profit's still 40% off. You know what I mean? It's still the best deal on in the prop firm space. I think it's the best deal still. Are we still in a downtrend? Are we clearly bouncing off the previous day's high? From the looks of it, kinda. But right now, I don't know. It's hard to say. Now we're breaking above the 20 MA here. Yeah, once you actually get funded, that's when it gets fun. When you get funded with TPT, that's when it gets fun. Forget funded accounts, it's just a fun account. I mean, I'm a sucker for this, I guess. I'm a sucker. Call me a sucker. Here we go. Lower highs, lower lows. But I'm trying to go long back into the resistance. So dumb of me. What am I thinking here? But let's try. Bulls are obviously present here. First break a trend. Quite a dumb trade if you ask me, but we'll try. It's such a nice fail second to short setup though, just aesthetically. Okay. Having a tough time doing anything here. We're in this trade, 4 contracts. Let's see. We'll take out 1 to 2 and let it fly. Good entry bar. Terrible follow through bar to the point where I'm probably dead here. But good entry bar. I could extend my stop loss, but at a place like this, I don't know if I want to, right? Because it could just be confirmation that this is just... I may just reverse my trade here, in fact. Right? Thinking that now it's going to be obviously... This is a clear resistance. I'm trying to go long into it. But if it fails this, I don't know. I feel like it's a decent reversal to take. Well, it's popping up, so let's let it fly. 2 strong bull bars in a row. That's a really good sign. That's exactly what you want to see. 1-to-1 being made. Is it going to reverse off the 1-to-1 is the question. The 5-minute making a higher low, but it's just 3 completely overlapping bars in a row. Could be too much to handle here. I don't know. Right, the 5-minute looks like it's trading range price action. Okay, pushes up. I'll take it. The 1-to-2 hopefully can be made. Bounces off the previous day's high again. Coming out break even now. Should I protect that the 1-to-1?
Target filled.
I'm just scalping at the 1-to-1. We're gonna let a runner fly. Just cause I didn't like the reaction off of the previous day's high here. And seeing how we're overlapping on other time frames. I feel like the 2500 tick chart wants to make a second entry long if it does want to push up here. Yeah, good profit taking there. We ended up coming out break even if I didn't. So good profit taking there. I'm not too sad about that. We made a 1-to-1 on that trade. I was looking for the 1-to-2 and just a perfect balance off the. It's making a double top right here essentially. It makes me really want to go short now actually. The fact that we couldn't break through there, does that make you want to go short a little bit? Is that just me? Or are we getting bamboozled here? Are we getting bamboozled? Are we getting absolutely bamboozled here? I think my next trade is going to be a full send because we're in a very critical area. Huh. I mean, the bounce is off of the previous day's high. It's just too good. I feel like I got to go short. I don't know. I can go short here. Nah, this is going to go up. This is definitely going up. Make higher highs. Let's make it higher lows now, too. Whoo! This is confused. Talk about confusion. Don't call me Confucius. Call me confusion. Call me Confucius because I'm always confused.
2500 tick trap.
Goodness gracious. But in my opinion, yeah, the TBT makes it harder on the front end, right, to pass the accounts. But the beautiful thing is, when the place where you want no consistency rules is the funded accounts, right? Because that's where you make your money. You don't make your money off of evals. Okay, so got you long. It's just wacky. It's making a triangle underneath the this obvious resistance here. The smartest thing to do is actually wait for the breakout and just try to jump in with momentum. That's the best thing to do here because we're not institutions. Institutions know exactly what they're trying to do here. Right? Institutions they're just buying, or they're selling. It's, it's impossible to tell what they're doing here. Actually, you can say cumulative delta might help you, but at the end, like even that has false signals. It can give you some clues, maybe sometimes. Price action is a key though. That will really tell you what's going to happen here. Whole housers. All right, fair enough. could try here. It's silly though. It's a dumb trade. It's a very strong resistance here. And we could be stuck here for 30 minutes. Like, it's obviously turned into a trading range. Feels like it's a short here. Outside bar reversal. No, thank you. Not in such a sus situation like this. Completely overlapping bars on the higher time frames.
2,500 tick trap.
Completely overlapping bars, pandas. Oh. You're thinking the completely overlapping bars will continue to completely overlap. Yeah, okay, completely overlapping bars. Good call on skipping. Okay. Completely overlapping bars continues to completely overlap. Right, we had 3 completely overlapping bars and they continue to overlap. I should be selling here, not buying. I should be buying here, not selling. Thinking the continuation of this chop. Triangle continues.
$2,500 tick trap.
That is music to my ears. But in the most choppy price action right now. It's very dangerous. The timing of this is near impossible. Because the timing is hard. What you can do is scale in. I will try to scale in here. The timing of this is near impossible when this will break out. I mean, if it was easy, then everyone will be able to do it. But because breakouts are less probable, low probability trades, this is gonna
5-minute trap.
It's going to be near impossible to time this breakout, in my opinion. You're better off wide stop. Buy low, sell high, scalp, wide stop. That's the Al Brooks way here. Because of how impossible it is to time this. Shenanigans.
5-minute trap.
Trying to catch some momentum here, but I'm having a hard time. Having a hard time actually getting that oomph, you know what I mean? We're getting like sparks of it, but it's not really doing much. Really don't want to see a reversal. Really don't want to see a reversal here. It could just mean failed breakout. It's unfortunate.
2,500 tick trap.
Two strong bull bars on the 2,500 tick. Usually green lights for bulls, but we'll see. Usually that's a green light for bulls. Usually that's a green light for bulls. Usually. Excuse me. Trading range day. Don't even attempt to hold this because we could be at the very tippity top of a trading range. And we're having a hard time actually making a move right now. Such an incredibly hard time making a move. After long consolidation, we break out. And it's not doing much. Do I even attempt to move my stop loss here and make a wide stop loss? Do I even attempt this here? Usually 2 bull bars are green light to go for the bulls, but it's not here in this situation. Still clearly above the 20 MA, but it's getting quite sus. We're above the previous day's high, which is nice because now we're creating a base above it. Just not sure what's happening here. I feel like I'm going to get stopped out. I don't want a wide stop here because it could be potentially big reversal. I don't know what to do. Just hold.
5-minute trap.
Just be a breakout retest here. I don't know. Bull bar on the 5-minute chart could encourage bulls to jump in here. Okay. Potential here. Break of this pivot high would be great potential. All right, breaking above. Can we close above? What can stop us now, truly? What can stop us now?
2,500 tick trap.
What can stop us now is the question. What can absolutely stop us now is the darn question. I'm surprised the 2,500 tick chart still hasn't gone always in long. It's kind of frustrating. Why it takes so long to go always in long. Alright, we're out. It's so frustrating that the 2,500 tick chart doesn't turn always in long after that candle. After this candle, it doesn't turn always in long. That's really frustrating for me. And I don't want to hold more than that. Had plenty of times to break out, but just could not do it. We had a K in the bag, but whatever. The fact that it couldn't break out may be a good time to reverse here now. Let's see. Feels like entry long could be a good setup. But we are in a strong uptrend. Now we break our retest in this area. Very confusing. Super confusing, in fact. Okay, breakout retest. Expanding pattern. Market's more confused than you think. Lots of overlapping bars still, right? The 5-minute, it's absolute trash. Had this build up for a long time and didn't do anything with it. Whoo-wee. All I can say is it's trading range price action right now. So I buy low, sell high.
2,500 tick trap.
But the question is, what is low? And which trading range are we talking about? There's a lot of trading ranges here. Several trading ranges intertwining each other. The 5-minute, this trading range. Now this trading range. Also, you got a big trading range. Which trading range are we going to trade? It comes down, comes back up. Pretty... Huh. It's quite frustrating, right? When you get bull bars with no follow through on an uptrend. That's kind of frustrating. It's happening a lot, right? It's happening here. Bull bar, no follow through. Strong bull. Like when I say bull bar, I mean like bull bar ending on its high, no follow through. Bull bar ending on its high, no follow through. Bull bars ending on their high, no follow through. Right? It's happening everywhere. It just means
5-minute
that the
trap.
market is diabolical and trappy. Choppy, trappy, whatever you want to call it. AKA a bad market to trade currently. Very choppy. Buy low, sell high type situation. Buy low, sell high, and scalp. Changing to scalping mode. Let's see if we can get some scalps along the way here. Scalp mode. I'm like pure scalp mode. I'm looking for 10 points. Thought we were coming to the bottom of the expanding pattern back to the top. Proves to be a... Okay. 10 points. We lost 10 points. Alright, reversal time. Do I full send the reversal is a question. It is a strong reversal time. Do I full send the reversal is the question. Can I even full send it in a trading range price action where strong bear bars could get reversed on a dime? Small pullback, small pullback. Small pullback again. No entries. Far away from 20 MA. Trying to buy low, sell high still? Or has the market conditions changed? Okay. Buy low, sell high, scalp. I'm selling low.
Target filled.
I'm just getting chippity choppity chop chip chop chippity. That's all that's happening right now. A double top on the 5-minute chart. Clear trading range. Come back to the bottom trading range, perhaps. I still love the volatility, though. I still love the volatility. Even though it's like going up and down, up and down, up and down, I still love it. Hmm. 'Buy low, sell high. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8 bull bars in a row. Incredible. Pure shenanigans. Nine bull bars in a row now. First bear bar in a while. Check. Buy low, sell high is what Al Brooks tells me to do. And Al I trust. Buy low, sell high. Al Brooks style right here. Okay, Bill. Buy low, sell high. Here we go, Al Brooks. Let's do it. Buy low, sell high. Buy low, sell high scalp.
Target filled.
Buy low, sell high scalp pandas. I mean, even on this 2,500 tick strong bull bar ending on side, you just sell that. Because that's all we've been in a market like that. It's limit order market. Buy low, sell high, scalp. Second entry long. It's funny. 2500 tick chart, literally every single bull bar gets reversed. It's crazy. This is how confident the bears are and just to keep going always in short even though the market keeps going up. They don't care. How confident they are in how choppy this market is today. Every strong bull bar gets reversed. No always in long trading anymore. That's a thing of the past. It does not exist any longer. Always in long trading does not exist any longer, pandas. We're starting to grind up, pandas. Starting to grind up. What a day. It's reversing, whatever. It is what it is. I'm so confident in like the choppy trading range price action that will come back up though. I'm so confident that it's like so choppy. Like we're just not gonna crash to the downside. It's just gonna continue to chop. And if it doesn't, and gosh darn it, you know what I mean? If it doesn't do what I think it's gonna do, then gosh darn it. But I gotta just keep trading this way. On a day like today, it's just super choppy, super annoying. Just take some time to get to wherever you need to get to. I don't know if we'll make it up here. Lower highs, lower lows. Good trap trade to go short here. Yeah, I don't want to stick around and find out. I'll take out the hit here. This could be potentially a big reversal, but we'll see. Two bear bars, I'm out. Why do I feel like this pivot low is where people are going to buy it? Why do I feel like this pivot low is where people are going to buy it? Why do I feel that way? If I feel that way, I'm going to try one time. Why do I feel like this pivot low is where people are actually going to buy it? Instead of getting out of their trades, they're going to add on to their trades. we can't get above the 20 MA here, I think I'm out. Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. I mean, can't get above 20 MA. Can't get above the 20 MA. Fair enough. Obviously, be way better off if I was just shorting it instead of trying to go long here. Obviously, I'd be way better off at this point. This is kind of like my last stance here. If it doesn't push up here, I'm pretty much dead, I think. Keeps pushing to the downside. I think I'm dead here. Just a really big pullback, unfortunately. Not enough powder in the keg to be able to survive this pullback, but it's a pullback. Like, this is gonna come back up, but it's a deep pullback. Unfortunately, I'm just not gonna be able to. I don't have enough powder in the keg. I might as well just let it die. It's on the powder in the keg, pandas, to handle this pullback. Even though I'm pretty certain this is just a big pullback, it's gonna go back up. But darn, I mean, it's just like that's a problem trading micro or minis instead of micros. It's just like you just don't have enough powder in the keg. You simply don't have enough powder in the keg, do ya? Having a hard time breaking above the previous candle's high now. Can't break above the previous candle high. Could possibly reverse here. It's just a matter of time. It's just a pullback, I think. A deep pullback, but it's a pullback. I don't think it's going much further than this. It's too choppy to like just crash to the downside, in my opinion. Like, it's going to have some like back and forth before really, if it does go down, it's going to go down in a choppy manner. That's what I'm hoping for, at least. The higher time frames are my friend right now. Right, you got the 20 EMA protecting you on the higher time frames. You got the 5 minutes still clearly below 20. It can come down to the 20 EMA to test it. But 2 bear bars in a row now on the 5-minute chart. See if we get a pullback here. I don't know. We'll see. I'm pretty confident this is going to come back up just because it's so choppy today. Like, anything you buy, you probably come out break even. Anything you sell, you probably come break even eventually. All right, pandas. This could be the end of the stream. Let's just watch this die. Thoughts and prayers to my TPT accounts. Thoughts and prayers to my TPT accounts, pandas. Thoughts and prayers. All right, double bottom off of this trend line. I'll take that. Maybe this is the ramp that we need here. Maybe this is the big push off we need. Who knows? This could be it. Could be the pullback we've been looking for a long time. 2 pushes up. Setting itself up for a second just short, but coming off our trend line beautifully here.
Target
Or
filled.
maybe come out break even, whatever. Not even. I'm still in a runner here, surprisingly. Still in a runner. I didn't realize that wasn't my full position. All right. And it's like I said, it's such a choppy day. Like, you can literally buy anywhere, sell anywhere, and you can at least come up break even. And that's a perfect example of knowing the market cycle we're in and saying that, and knowing that, you know, if we're going to move, we're not going to move in a strong direction one way. We're just going to keep chopping up and down, up and down. And that's why I was scaling in. That's why I was trading so small. I was just trading one contract at a time because I was just scaling in. And, I mean, it's probably going to be more of the same today. Like, it's probably not going to go that much higher here. I mean, it could, but it's going to go in a choppy way. Like, you're better off with limit orders. Just selling, buying and selling with limit orders here. It's just days like today. It's just, is it worth it? Is it worth really trading? We're up 4K on our accounts. The question is, do I full send it one more time here? Nah, it's way too choppy. Big up, big down. It's just incredibly choppy here. Geoffrey Ball, you're trading evals. The top left is the our funded accounts for Apex. Right now, I'm trading my TPT account, funded account. How often do you withdraw from TPT? Like once a day. Maybe 2-3 times a week. I withdraw from TPT. $2,000, $3,000, you know, around per payout or per withdrawal. Big push down, like big up, big down. It's just days like today is not even worth trading, in my opinion. The only way to do it is if you trade with trade with limit orders. Made a new high of day and just kind of reversed. Just doing nothing. Not really, no breakouts, right? No strong breakouts anywhere. That's the thing today. Only way to make money was if you went with limit orders like beneath this pivot low. That's how people made money here. People selling here, top of this pivot high, and selling again above this pivot high. Lo and behold, you make bamboo. It's pretty much a dud day today. It's just nothing happening. I don't know. What's my next trade? Who knows? Probably could buy anywhere, sell anywhere, still make money. I probably could buy here, still make money. I'll buy here and then I can make money. Just hold long enough. Why not stop? Scalp. Like days like today, you like want to counter trend trade. Days like today, you actually want to counter trend trade. It's actually how you win days like today. Okay, I see. Yeah, literally on a day like today, you just keep scalping. If I held this trade and it scaled in, I would have came out break even or even with profit. Jeffrey Baum. So yeah, I lost it. I was trying to get it back up. I couldn't. Oh, 4K calls it a dud. I'm not saying that right now it's a dud. Look at this price action. The price action has turned into a dud. It was okay. There were moments it was nice. There were moments where it was nice, but for this majority of this part, it's been nothing but back and forth. Yeah, so people might wonder how do I have so many accounts like funded accounts? Well, it's because of 90% off pandas. Like when I say stock up, I don't just say that with empty words. I too stock up and know that it's a good ROI when you buy 40, 80 Apex accounts at 90% off. It's worth it for the ROI. Like literally, I'm buying like 40 to 80 accounts because I'm doing 20 accounts at a time. So you buy 40 to 80, that means you get like 4 or 5 tries, right? 4 or 5 tries. That's what we're looking for. You pay lifetime, yeah, of course. I mean, how else do you trade 40 accounts or 20 accounts? And the lifetime was discounted as well, which is another reason why I traded so aggressively on my accounts because the that's going to only last until what today? The discount on the PA funded. But now, because it's no longer there, I'm not going to be that aggressive. But when do you pass the evals yesterday? You were traded funded and today too. Yeah, you pass them all at once. You can pass more than you can pass 80 at once and just trade 20 at a time. Right? You just pay 20 at a time. Or you can pass them all at once. Again, look at this market. It's turned to absolute diarrhea. I mean, it's no secret the way I fund my accounts. I have a lot of funding. I tell you, I pass a bunch of evals, and I just have them ready. I just have a bunch of past evals and there are times where my P accounts, my funded accounts lasted like longer than a month, and I pay for the renewal fee for my past eval accounts. It's just a part of doing business. You know what I mean? It's the price of doing business. Seems obvious we want to go up here, but it's very sick. It is going to the upside. But no breakout. Everything is a resistance, everything is a support. But currently, I'm in a small pinch. Not that small, but it's fine. Most important thing is to get payouts. That's my goal here. I'm trying to get payouts. And I really should stop trading today because today, like, it's just not a good day of trading. It's just very choppy, lots of overlapping bars, very slow, but going one direction, which is nice. All right, when you have days we have strong bull bars getting folded, right? No follow through on these strong bull bars. Something like this happening, even this happening, this happening. Basically, every time a new pivot high is created with a strong bull bar, it's absolutely folded. In fact, this gets so folded it actually breaks a previous pivot low. That's ridiculous, right? For swing traders, because they're looking for higher highs and higher lows, so they have their stop loss here. Swing traders lose their stop loss here. A strong bull bar ending on their high gets folded again. Well, days like today, very tricky, and you should really not be trading on days like today. Like you have a good bet that every time you make a new pivot high, you should start going short. Right, when you break this pivot high, you should just start going short, and you make some bamboo. You break this pivot high,
tick trap.
you go short, you make some bamboo. So far, that's the pattern we've been seeing at least. Go short at every pivot high. It's what Al Brooks calls a broad channel, where both bulls and bears make money. Even though it's going up, bulls and bears make money here. I'm about to call it. Up 4,000. Eh. No big. I'll take it. About to make a new high of day. The pattern's been on every new high of day. You've been reversing. Don't quite get there this time. This channel has been going on for a while now. Like, you're really better off actually waiting for a new pivot high before going short. Should I do it, pandas? Double top now. Wedge top, double top. Pushing down. Could be a decent push down here. Double top, right? Wedge top, double top. In a trading range day. Could mean significant push down, but who knows? All I know is it's going to take forever for the setup to actually print here. They said trading will be fun. They said trading would be fun. Not only did I make $4,000 on TBT, I made $2,335 on Apex. Don't forget about that, pandas. Don't forget about that little tidbit.
2,500 tick trap.
Double top and also micro double top. Setting itself up for possibly a reversal here. You already know my setup. Fail second entry long. Would I full send it? Nah. Would I? Possibly. But it's such a trading range day, I just don't think anything's going to move that much either direction. But if we were going to move, this would be the setup. Is it a higher low on the daily now? I don't think so. Well, actually depends what... I don't know what you're using for a higher low, but technically it's not, right? This low is lower than this low. Okay, fail second entry long is what I'm looking for.
Five-minute trap.
Interesting. Trading range. Welcome to hell. Welcome to trading hell, where you get chopped up to pieces every single minute. Just a day trading would be fun. I mean, we are making some bamboo today, I'll tell you that much. We are definitely making bamboo today. Day trader. It doesn't get better trading while playing Call of Duty. Make I don't know how you do it. If I lose my focus even for a minute, it's like I get lost. Higher highs and higher lows being created all day today. Higher highs, higher lows. Does it make sense to just want to reverse it all of a sudden? This is what I'm seeing, pandas. I'm seeing a trading range. I'm seeing we're at the top of it. I see we have a wedge top. I see we have a double top. And so after the wedge is created, we create a double top. I just feel like if we're going to reverse, this could be the place. I could try here, I guess. It's the first entry. No, second pullback, maybe second entry here. Yuck. Yuck for a short. Look at the 2500 tick chart.
2500 tick trap.
Bullish. Bull bar again. Maybe making a new high now. I mean, the trading day could be as simple as literally just buying off the 20 MA, selling at the previous pivot high. It could literally be as simple as that today. It could be what you just do all day today, possibly. Second entry short here. It's really hard to take the second entry short, I'll tell you that much. It's really hard to take the second entry short. No, it doesn't make sense. Doesn't really make sense. I'm about to call it here. I think I'm about to call it here. This trading day is like, I'm just like asking to just get burned here. I'm getting too impatient and too confused. Now this double top is no longer turning to double top. It doesn't really have that deep of a pullback either. So I mean, this is just clear skies ahead still, in my opinion. It's like the hourly chart wants something nice, or something like that. Look at the hourly chart. It's just a strong bull bar ending on its high. Looking for some follow through. That's the hourly chart right here. Hourly chart. Big bull bar. Big bull bar. How does that even work? Why is there such a big gap here? I don't get it. My goodness. I guess I could try. Welcome to the dumbest trade of 2025. Here we go. The reason why I'm doing this is because it's supposed to be a double top, but the double top is about to fail. Should have broke this neckline, but it did not. What am I doing? I should be selling high. Selling high, buying low. What am I doing right now in my life? I have no clue. Why am I doing this? Mental capital completely depleted, that's why. Staring at this nonsense forever.
2,500 tick trap.
I can't even do it. This is such a terrible trade. It's such a terrible price action right now. Oh my gosh. I literally cannot make money. I should be going short here, to be honest.
Five-minute trap.
Man, you gotta love days like today, where literally nothing happens for 4 hours. How long have I been training for? 3 hours now? All the volatility got slurped out of the market. Second entry long. Do we just go for it? Go for it. Fill in the blank. It's hard to go long when it looks like this. Hard to go long when it looks this bad. Triple top, I guess. No clue. No clue, yet I'm trading with big size. Does that make sense? No, it does not. Welcome to day trading, pandas, where you literally stare at the market and do absolutely nothing. Hope you guys are enjoying yourselves. Scalp that like button, please, if you can. Helps out this channel. I think it helps out this channel. I don't even know.
2,500 tick trap.
2,500 tick trap. Yeah. One of those days, yeah. It's just one of those days. You scalp high, sell low. Or sell low. Buy low, sell high. What am I talking about? Buy low, sell high. It's that easy. A day like today is actually that easy, yet it's hard to do. Because what is low? Really, what is low? Contextually, what is low? Triple top, I mean, whatever. Super choppy, it doesn't make sense, but limit order market, I'm trying to go short like this. Literally, it's making me brain dead, this price action. Cool. Very cool. Cool. Cool, cool. Cool. Cool, cool. Cool. Cool, cool. Cool. Cool, cool.
Five-minute trap.
A very important poll I put up for everyone. It's very important for us to fill this poll out. It's going to help us with our trading, trust me. We will make more profits if you fill out that poll. Just trust me on this one. Just got to trust me on this one. It is just a great mystery why I'm sitting through this absolute trash can of price action right now. It's absolute mystery why I'm still here. It is incredible that I'm still here looking at this absolutely disgusting price action right now. It is the mystery of the universe. Convention says I should short it, I guess, up here. That's what convention says. I should go long. Like, really, this is your best chart. Because every time you made a new high, you go short, you make money. Every time you get to the 20 EMA, you buy, you make money. Ooh, trap triggers. It does trigger after a triple top. But it is like consolidating here as well, so sure it's a tough one if you ask me. Are we making a move? Are we actually making a move? No. Stop. We're making a move. We're actually moving. Goodness gracious, Pans. We're actually moving. We're moving, but we're not moving. Cool. I mean, I guess a scalp. Not even 10 points. Sick. So sick. The biggest mystery of today is why am I still streaming on an absolute diarrhea day like today? Like, why am I still here is the biggest mystery of the universe at the moment. Wow. Well, would you look at that? We're actually pushing a direction somewhere. But still, basically, all of these supports are just going to give it a tough time to push down. I don't even know what I'm looking for. Am I trying to go long here? Should I just go long, kicks and giggles? One thing that's concerning to go long here is the fact that we failed to really make a new high here. Like if we made a new high, then we can confidently say we're making higher highs and higher lows, but we failed to make a higher high here. It's actually we're making lower lows and lower highs and now possibly lower lows. Yeah, we're making lower lows now. So by definition, we are in a downtrend currently. Have the tables turned? Big bear bar ending on its low now. Could be signifying we're going down. I'm actually very intrigued by the 1 minute or the 1 hour chart currently. Thinking it's going to tell us something about today. The reason why I'm going to 1 hour chart is because of how stupid today is. And we're not getting anything clear on any other time frame. So we're still within the first 1 hour bar. We're going to close in the middle of it. Most likely. Big push down here. Possibly look for a short if I can. It could be caught by so many supports along the way down, but my eyes are currently on a downtrend. But every pivot low can act as support. Every major pivot low can act as support. It truly can. Especially on a day like today. Do I do all first entries or do I wait till 20 MA? Till at least jump in. It's undershoot. Big push down. Balancing out the 240 SMA. And the previous pivot. Major pivot. Two bear bars. Huh. This is the first close we've had underneath the 20 MA on the 5-minute chart. And we're going to have a bear bar on the 1-hour chart. Oh. Is this just a small pullback? I feel like no, because this is acting as such a strong resistance. I feel like we can at least come back, I don't know, to the middle of this range. Seems like a reasonable place to go to. The 1-hour chart is officially done, right? The third bar on the 1 hour. And it's going to be a bear bar. I could try. Seems like a silly trade to take, but you know what? No, I'll wait for the second entry short. Okay, big pop up. Second entry short. Mamma mia, are we gonna get it here? Or was this the pullback? The bulls we're looking for before launching this into outer space. This does feel very bullish right now. This feels extremely bullish right now. So bullish, I cannot go short here. Look at this big move down, big move back up. On a higher time frame, this is going to be look like a big wick. Wow, that's your signal bar, eh? I can find little justification for this trade. Very little justification. In fact, I'll take the reversal at this point. Undershoot leads an overshoot, at least. I think this is it. Some of my last trade, win or lose. I just can't handle this terrible price action right now. It is coming for trend line and 20 MA. So you have that going for you. Okay, got a slight overshoot. Again, difficult to tell what's going to happen. Did we start a downtrend, or with such a bounce off the 240 SMA, do we look for a long trade? Too hard to tell at this point. Just know, if we break this low here, we are breaking the low of the 1 hour chart. Which will bring this back into the trading range. Deep into the trading range, I think. Second entry short here. Terrible signal bar coming off our trend line and 20 EMA, but 4 overlapping bars in a row at this point. In a very, very trading range market cycle. So just everything could fail here. Even this trap could fail, really. Jeez Louise. Let me show you how the 1 hour just closed. Right, the 1 hour closed with a bear bar inside the first 1 hour bar. So if we trigger the low here, it can come back down to the middle of the range. That's what I'm thinking. If we trigger that. I don't know what to do. What do we do? 5 overlapping bars in a row. Oh boy. That's annoying. Trap trade, but do you love it? Do you love this trap trade?
2,500 tick trap.
Love is a very strong word. At this point, you got 5 overlapping bars in a row. You just stay away from everything, and it's confusing. This was the best trade in a long time. You got a nice... the best trade after like 2 hours of nothingness is just a 26-point move. It's virtually nothing. Not nothing, but for that long. I don't know, Pandas. I think I'm going to call it. This is just getting choppier and choppier. Got an OI pattern. Do I like this OI pattern? Not really. Okay, trap does trigger. OI pattern breaks to the upside on the 5-minute chart. Could go back up. But after 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 overlapping bars in a row, it's a gamble, in my opinion. The only bad trading I had today was that one account I have on my Apex account. That one single account just got demolished. Jeez Louise. Okay, pushes up. This could be the answer. Maybe the market's decided what it wants to do here. All right, I think that's it. I can't. It's like there's nothing else for me to do here. I just can't. I don't know. I don't know what to look for at this point. It's pure trading range price action. Unless I'm gonna limit orders, wide stops. Like I don't see what the point of trading today is. I think this is it. No, I think Baby Panda agrees. Pandas, I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning, 9:15 a.m. Eastern Time. Thanks for joining for the long stream. We try to get another setup anywhere, but nothing in the last 2 hours. Like nothing. So Pandas, like I'm just stuck here. I wanted to make a little more bamboo today, but I cannot. No opportunities here. It is what it is. So Pandas, with that being said, thanks for joining. Thanks for your support. Scalp that like button if you haven't already. Use code BBM for the best promos in Apex and TPT. And thanks for your support. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow morning. With that being said, as always, happy trading. God bless. Bye.